and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a kind of like autumn winter haul from Fashionnova. So I've got some really nice winter pieces to share with you guys, and yeah, I'm just going to jump into this one because I've got so much to show you guys. It's a pretty big haul, but before I jump to the clothing I will show you the shoes I got. So I'm just in love with these boots. Like, they are purple suede boots. I mean, I love colourful things, and this is next level. Like, I love this. I'm not normally a fan of stiletto boots because I find, you know, I can walk a lot further in my chunky boots, but I'm going to learn for these bad boys because they are just stunning. So they are pointy, but I'm in love. And they have a nice zip, so they're easy to get on. I just think with the right outfit, these will look gorgeous. I'm speechless. I just love them so much. They're just stunning. Like, purple suede. Why has it taken this long for me to get these into my life? Like, I'm obsessed. So I'll go throw on the first outfit. I'll put these on with it as well. So I'm just gonna like throw on the outfits rather than talk about them individually because, yeah, I've got too many. So we'll do it a bit more organised this time. At least I'm gonna try. So let's get to it. So this is the first thing I got, and it's this beautiful jumper dress. Now, I don't think my camera is doing the colour justice, but it's kind of like a deep pinky purpley colour. I'm not very good at describing difficult colours, but you can see what it looks like. But it's this gorgeous kind of like really chunky rib kind of fabric, and I really like it. And it's got, I thought it was going to fit differently, so it's got my favourite kind of crisscross neckline, but it sits a lot higher than I'm used to. But I kind of love it. And then the skirt is actually like a pencil skirt, so it's nice and tight, so it's still like figure flattering, but also very easy to wear. So I really like that, and I mean the back of it is so cute. Like, I love it. It's so easy to wear, but also really flattering, I think. And I love a tie waist. It just shows off my figure, and then I've matched it with the boots, and I think it's such a look. Like, I love them together. Like, I think the colour just matches perfectly. All I would say is the boots, they're kind of wide around the top, and it's obviously how they're meant to be, but just keep that in mind. It's a different style to what I'm used to. I'm used to my boots kind of fitting quite tight around my calves, but I think it works with this look. But yeah, I'm obsessed with the colour, like, of the dress, of the boots. I'm just loving it at the moment. But the boots, they are hard to walk in because they don't have, I'm used to like a little bit of a platform at the top. But I think I can work them. I love them too much not to work them, so we're gonna make it work. But the next thing I got from Fashionnova is a tracksuit set. Now, it's this velvety kind of two-piece, but look at this colour match. Like, I definitely think I'm obsessing over this colour at the moment because everything I'm getting is just the same. But I'll go put this one on next so we can see what it looks like. This is it on, and I've got to say, I'm not sure how I feel about this one. Like, love the colour, love the fabric, but I'm not feeling the fit of it. Like, I feel like a character from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I think it's Violet Beauregarde, but the purple version. But yeah, I just think it's just not my style. I think it looks similar to those Juicy Couture tracksuit sets, and you know, I don't mind them on other people, but I don't think they're my cup of tea. And the fit of it is also a bit weird. So this jacket is kind of like ill-fitting, but then these tracksuits are like skin tight. Like, they are hugging every part of my legs. Like, there isn't like one wrinkle down the leg, it's just like all around. So it's kind of weird that they're so tight, but the top isn't. Because I quite like my tops to be also kind of form-fitting. I don't know. I love the colour, but I think I've got better loungewear sets. But let me know what you think. I'm not feeling this one like I thought I would. The next thing I got is another jumper dress, but this one is a proper jumper dress. So it's this brown knitted turtleneck. Like, it's such a thick knit, like, it feels such nice quality. And it does come with a tie belt, but I've put it somewhere else. So I'll find the tie belt and then I'll throw this one on. So this is what it looks like on, and I absolutely love it. It's such a nice fit, and it's just so thick as well. Like, it's just going to keep me so warm in the winter, but it's also really cute. And I don't really wear brown a lot, but I'm starting to wear it more at the moment. It's just a colour I'm slowly like playing around with and incorporating more of, and I think this is such a staple piece. I think neutrals are just such a nice thing to wear all year round, and I think this is so cute. The only thing I would say, it's a little long for me, so I'm only 5'5", so I need to wear it with heels in order to not look a little bit kind of like a gnome, but I think it's cute nonetheless, and I love that it's got a slit. Oh, it's only on one side. That's interesting. I thought the slit was on both, but apparently it's just a one-sided slit. Cute nonetheless, but it comes like just below my knees. So it's really cute, I think, with a pair of heeled boots in the winter, and it's just kind of like that sort of chunky winter look. That's why I love it. And then I also got a jacket from Fashionnova. So just, we need a moment of appreciation for this leather jacket, because just look at that and look at the colour of that fur, and it is so soft, like so soft. Like, it's just amazing. So I'm going to put it on with this. So the arms are quite... I got this jacket in an extra small, so I am feeling the effects, but it does fit, so that's fine. But look at that, like, it's so nice for the winter. It's just that little extra bit of bouginess for the winter months. No, I'm obsessed with this. Like, I love it. Like, I love my leather jackets, and just adding this bit of like brown fur, I'm here for it. Like, I'm obsessed. Let me know what you think, but I just think it's so fun. Like, it's very extra, but so am I, so it works. Sticking with being extra, I thought I'd whip this one out next. So this is a dress, and yep, that is gold leopard print, and it's pretty much just a sock. But I mean, look at that fabric. It is just awesome. Like, for a Christmas dress or New Year's Eve look, I think it's perfect. It's just going to be very slinky on, and I think it'll be really flattering. Not that I have any parties to go to this year, especially because I'll be coming back from France, so I'll be quarantining in the UK for 14 days until, you know, the middle of January, so yeah, probably just gonna have to wear this around my house, but it doesn't mean I can't wear it, but I'm just obsessed, so let's put it on. Okay, so I absolutely love it, but I need a size up. So it's really tight on the arms up here, and then around my hips I feel like I can't move. So even though there's spandex in it, I need just a teeny bit more, or I need the slit to go a little bit higher, just because I can move in it, but I feel like a penguin. But I mean, it's very cute. It's almost very smart. Like, I feel like if I paired this with a blazer, it could kind of be a work dress. Maybe. But I think I can sort the sleeves out just by opening up the seams a little bit, because I love the fabric. I mean, how awesome is that? So maybe it will stretch whilst it's on me, but I love it. Like, it's just a very like classy evening dress, I would say, and it's got lots of ruching going on around the waist. The only area that isn't tight on me is this bit. This bit is fine. But yeah, it's just, I just can't move my legs in it. But I love how it catches the light though. Look at that. No, it's very cool. I'm gonna try and wear it and work it, but yeah, if you want this dress, size up. I think it will just be more comfortable, but it's workable. I think everything, I always try and make things work, don't I? I should just not do that. But anyway, let's jump to the next. So the next thing I got is this grey jumpsuit thing. I've been loving loungewear at the moment because, you know, I'm just working from home, studying from home, you know, going out just as a bit of a thing of the past at the moment. So I'm looking for comfy but cute clothes. And I came across this jumpsuit and I thought, oh, this is nice. It's got my typical crisscross V-neck neckline, which I love. And then it's kind of a weird shape. So I think I can push these in and turn them into pockets, but I'd need to just see what this looks like on because it's very square. Like, my hips are wide, but they're not that wide. What is? I know it's the style of this jumpsuit and I liked it on the model, but I'm just trying to figure out what is going on here. It's kind of weird. So let's put it on and see what it looks like. Okay, this is the strangest outfit I think I've ever put on. I've tucked in these weird things, but what is this? It's almost like I've got wings. Like, am I meant to wrap them around and like tie it cute? But I think I'm generally meant to just poke them inside like this and just kind of try and not have a build up of fabric so it doesn't look like I'm wearing a nappy. Like that. Like, what? Just, I guess this is the style. Like, I love the top of it. I think I love the belt, I love the top. I think that's really cute and it's a really nice fabric to lounge in. But I don't know what's going on down here, like, odd style, but let me know what you think. But it's cute. I mean, obviously with my curves inside it, it looks nice. Like, grey is always a colour that flatters, I find, or enhances. Don't really know the word to use, but I don't know what to do with these pockets. Like, what is going on? I feel like I'm in a flight suit. But yeah, that's an unusual style. It's something new. But I really like from here up, just not sure what is going on from here down. So let me know if I'm doing something completely wrong and I'm not meant to do this, but I'm pretty sure there's no other way to wear this. I think this is it. So yeah, that's this one. So I thought whilst I'm wearing the jumpsuit, because it's not quite right, I would show you guys the other thing I got that isn't quite right. So I accidentally got a jumper that is for a tall girl, and well, I mean, it's very cozy, it's lovely and fluffy, like I love it. I'm still going to wear it, but just wait. Ta-da! It's longer on me than my dressing gown, and it's just a cardigan. Like, it's meant to just be like an everyday cardigan, and it comes to my feet. Like 1 more inch and it touches the floor. So maybe with a nice pair of heels on I can work it, but it's a dressing gown on me, let's be honest. So lovely and warm, very cozy. I will wear it, but yeah, they have a section for tall girls, and I just didn't clock it, and I thought, oh, I like that jumper, but yeah, lesson learned. So the last 2 things I got are jumpers. So I got this one, which is in my favourite colour apparently. We've already had a few things in this colour. So it's very similar to the jumper dress. Which way round is this? Here we go. In the fact that it's got that kind of crisscross neckline and nice, like, it's a kind of crop top to wear with jeans. I think it's going to be very cute. So I'll put that one on first. And then I also got this white knit one, but it has a really unusual neckline. Like, it's not a turtleneck, but it's kind of a turtleneck. It's like a little thing like this. So we'll see what it looks like on, but I love this knit. I think it's just so classic, and I wanted something like this. So I thought with blue jeans, it'll be perfect. So let's put those ones on. This is what it looks like, and it's just such an easy fit. Like, I love the neckline. I love that it's kind of loose, but it still goes in at the waist. Like, I think it's just really flattering, and I love the colour of it. I think it's such a nice pop of colour for the winter. It's just so cute, and it's such a nice quality knit. Like, it feels like really nice quality, so that's really nice as well. But no, I love it. It's just such an easy thing to wear, and I love the balloon sleeves. Like, I really like this look, and I love the fact it then goes in at the bottom, so if I'm like washing up or something like that, I'm not going to get them all in the water. So I like the fact it kind of goes back to my wrist, but it's like bell sleeves. I don't know, I just think it's so cute. I love it. I love this one. This is how this one fits, and I absolutely love the knit on it, and I love like the sleeves and how they go in and the waist. I'm not sure on the neckline. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I think if I fold it under and maybe I'll stitch it under, I think I like it like that. So just turn it into like a normal neck jumper. I don't really know what it's trying to do like this. Like, it almost looks like it's just not been finished off, so I'm not sure, but I like it folded over, and then I love the knit. Like, look at the design on that. I think it's so cute. And like with blue jeans, it's just gorgeous, I think. And I love the sleeves. It's the same as the pink sleeves. Like, it's just such a fun look, I think. But no, let me know what you think, but I love this one. It just feels like it's going to be a staple that I can wear all the time. But I do need to fix the neckline. I can't do that. Like, is that how it's meant to be? Maybe. I don't know. Let me know what you think. It's just a bit of an unusual neckline. So that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the outfits I got. I think this was just such a success, this haul. Like, it always is with Fashionnova. I mean, my winter wardrobe is nailed now. Like, I've got so many cute looks. I'm so excited, but I'll link what I can down below along with my social media if you'd like to check anything out. But thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.